Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for your iPhone 16 Pro, the ZAGG Glass Screen Protector. We found this product online, and we've included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. The ZAGG Glass Screen Protector is a premium tempered glass protector specifically designed for the iPhone 16 Pro. With its robust construction, this screen protector claims to be 3 times stronger than an unprotected screen, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking to keep their device safe from the everyday wear and tear of life. One of the standout features of the ZAGG Glass Plus is its superior strength. Thanks to its advanced engineering, this screen protector delivers impressive impact and shatter protection. Whether you accidentally drop your phone or it takes a knock in your bag, you can have peace of mind knowing that your screen is shielded against potential damage. Equally important is the scratch and smudge resistance of the ZAGG Glass Plus. The precision surface finishing provides maximum scratch protection, which is crucial for maintaining the pristine condition of your device. Furthermore, the long-lasting oil-resistant coating helps prevent smudges and fingerprints, ensuring your screen remains crystal clear and easy to read throughout the day. When it comes to the feel of the screen, ZAGG has nailed it with the smooth, silky touch of the Glass Plus. It mimics the natural feel of your original iPhone screen, allowing for seamless interaction when swiping or typing. You won't even notice that there's a screen protector on your device, which is a huge plus for users who value a responsive touchscreen experience. Installation is another area where ZAGG excels. The Glass Plus comes with easy apply tabs and a tray designed to make the application process straightforward. With perfect alignment and a user-friendly approach, you won't need to worry about bubbles or misalignment. Plus, it's great to note that this product is made from 100% recycled materials, making it a sustainable choice for environmentally conscious consumers. So, who is the ZAGG Glass Plus Screen Protector suitable for? This product is perfect for anyone who owns an iPhone 16 Pro and wants to protect their investment. Whether you're a busy professional constantly on the go, a student who frequently uses your phone for notes and communication, or just someone who wants to keep their phone in top condition, this screen protector offers the durability and protection you need. In terms of practical use cases, consider how often you might drop your phone or accidentally scratch the screen while tossing it in your bag. The ZAGG Glass Plus ensures that everyday accidents won't lead to costly repairs. Additionally, if you're someone who frequently uses your phone for photography or video recording, you'll appreciate the clarity and responsiveness that this screen protector maintains. Lastly, ZAGG offers a limited lifetime warranty on the Glass Plus, giving you added peace of mind. If your screen protector ever shows signs of wear or damage, you can have it replaced for as long as you own your device. That's a pretty solid deal for anyone concerned about the longevity of their phone's protection. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.